In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of the Facebook Marketplace Buy Now button being grayed out or not showing. Let's dive right into fixing this common problem with some easy steps you can follow to get things up and running again. First, you need to check the listing. Often, if the seller only offers local pickup, you won't see the Buy Now button available. Instead, you might see a message seller option. This is because the seller prefers direct communication for local transactions, so if that's the case, it's best to reach out directly through that option. Next, it's important to ensure that your Facebook app is up to date. Go to the App Store or Google Play and see if there are any updates available for the Facebook app. Sometimes older versions can have bugs that hide certain functionalities, such as the checkout buttons. Keeping the app updated ensures you have all the latest features and fixes. If the issue persists, it might be time to clear the cache and cookies. For Android users, you can do this by going to Settings, then Apps, selecting Facebook, and finally Storage, where you will find the option to clear the cache. iPhone users can offload the Facebook app from the settings and then reinstall it. On a browser, you can clear cookies and cache, or simply try using incognito mode, which sometimes can bypass persistent display errors. Another potential factor is your location and eligibility for Facebook Marketplace features. The Buy Now button is available mostly in the US, where Marketplace checkout and shipping are supported. If your location isn't within supported regions, unfortunately, this feature will remain inactive. Always check if your location aligns with Facebook's supported areas for these services. Verification of your Facebook account is another key element. Make sure you've added a valid payment method in Facebook Pay, and take care to confirm your identity if you're prompted to do so. Your account should also be at least 30 days old and in good standing to ensure functionality across marketplace features. Sometimes a simple fix is to log out of your Facebook account and then log back in. This can refresh application features and might solve any temporary glitches affecting the Buy Now button. Lastly, if you're still experiencing issues, try accessing Facebook Marketplace on a different device or browser. Switching from a mobile app to a desktop browser, or vice versa, can sometimes resolve compatibility issues and reveal features that were previously hidden or non-functional. These steps should help you troubleshoot and restore the Buy Now button to its full functionality, allowing for a seamless shopping experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.